Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I've not changed my name. I'm still Shagun, aka David. Alright, today we're going to continue where we left it from on HTML basics, and today we're diving straight into creating a list in your web page. Alright, let's leave the story and go straight into our code editor and start writing the code. We're going to speed through this one. It's going to be a quick one. Okay, now we have our basic HTML lined out for us, and now let's create our first list. To create a list, there are two types of lists. We have the ordered list and unordered list. Now, unordered list is type of list with bullet points, and the one that doesn't have number or alphabet in it. So we're gonna create unordered list. How do you create unordered list? Okay, go. UL is referred to as unordered list. UL unordered list. LI stands for list item. This is the way you create a list with bullet points in your web page. So we're going to list our favorite sites. That almost got me. Save that, and don't forget we can open our browser and open our file. It's inside HTML tips list. That's it. We have an unordered list. Now let's create a ordered list. Ordered list. Ordered list is a list which that has the ordered number or alphabet. So to create an ordered list, so we call this. Let's give this a name. Let's forget about strong. And let's call it unordered list. I'm just gonna copy that, and here I'll call this ordered list. And somebody can guess what the ordered list will be. It will be OL, and the list item will be same as LI. So we're gonna leave the same. Let's see what we have just created. Right. Don't forget we learned something about using the command prompt to open the browser or to open your HTML file. And if you, this works if you are on Mac. So I'm just gonna say open. Check what I have. It's on the desktop. It's in HTML tips. It's here, and I'm just gonna say open list.html. Voila. Now you see we have another list and other list on our page. Another beautiful thing you could do is you can have nested list. You can have your ordered list embed into another list or vice versa. So we're going to try to do that now. So let's play with a nested list. I'm just going to copy that title and there and put it, call it nested list. So how do we go about that? So let's have other list, and the other list, we have a list of social website. And you then want to have under your social website, you now want to have like a short list within this social website. So what I'll do is, before I close this, I will bring this down and say within number one, I also want to have an other list of social websites. So what are the lists of the social website that I'm talking about? So Facebook is one, and that almost got me again. Twitter is next. Can we view what we've just created? See, refresh. Beautiful. Now we have a nested list. You can see you have the indentation, shows that Twitter and Facebook belongs to social websites. So if you're just gonna say your next list, yeah, let's say it's personal websites. If you save that and refresh, beautiful. And in that personal website, you're gonna have another list. Within that, then you break it down to another list, and in that another list, you have another list in there, and it says my website is a personal website, and another one, like your website is a personal website, and refresh. Beautiful. And that is how you have another list and other lists nested. And we can have this vice versa. You can have another list at the top level and other lists as your as your nested list, and vice versa. This is how you create lists on a web page. Please, if you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section below. And now that we've learned how to create a few things, we've learned how to create a basic page using header, using paragraph, using strong, using a anchor, linking your pages or linking your page to a website. Now we've learned how to create list within a page. Now it's time to learn how to create a table.